So today I thought I would try something up. I was wondering, what if I mix some zinc white and another heavy density pigment paint. Um, so yeah, um, I'm gonna try this today and I'll show you what happens. I have this tiny canvas. I quite like it. I'm going to do a flip cup on a tiny scale, and yeah, let's see what happens. It's going to be a monochrome painting, and yeah, last week we've had somewhat of a heat wave, so now I'm a bit last second to paint and make my video for you guys. Probably won't have a dried pictures of this one as of yet, but you can check my social medias in the link in the description. I will post pictures of this one as soon as it's dry. I will not forget about you, don't worry. So I'm just going to start by mixing my two paints together as well as I can. Like I said before, those are two paints with heavy density pigments. I wouldn't try this with the like a light density pigment and a heavy density pigment because they would just split up right away as I pour them. But two pigments with the similar density should work. So I'm just going to let my paints rest so the bubbles have time to rise by themselves and pop, so I don't have as much bubbles in my pour. I'll be right back. Okay, so my paints are rested, the bubbles have pretty much escaped. I'm going to pour my other white. It's titanium white. It has a lower density than the other two paints I've used to mix together, so hopefully it will sell out. If not, I will have tried. Okay, let's zoom you guys on. I'm just going to flip it. Well, I think that even if it doesn't sell out, it will look quite interesting. Very smooth. And yeah, of course I forgot to put gloves on. Yeah, I think the densities were too close together, so it didn't sell out. Still nice though. I really like it. Very smooth here. Going to cover the corners. The drips are super interesting, so of course I'm going to let them dry. I have some ideas of what I want to do with it. I am aiming towards jewelry. Of course, when I get there, you will get to see it, and I will make videos on how to and how I do it. Edge here is very interesting. I really like the look. So yeah, that was an interesting experiment. I think well, not I think, I'm sure. I didn't get cells because the density of the green and zinc white is too close to the density of the titanium white I used. So not enough difference means that the green didn't want to, well, didn't sink into the white, creating cells. So yeah, that's what happened. But I'm still happy with the look. The edge here is very interesting. I think it will keep changing a little bit, but yeah. Not going to have time to take pictures for you today. I'm sorry. I will not have time to have dry pictures because I'm last second because of that heat wave we had. My paint really doesn't like the heat. It acts and reacts weirdly, dries weirdly when it's too hot, so I couldn't paint this week. So yeah, check out my social media. I will update a picture of that one once it's dry. On that note, thank you guys for watching my little experiment. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something as I did. Even if it didn't come out as I expected, I learned, and I hope you did too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!